How to avoid toxic relationships. So often, if you've experienced toxic or unhealthy or unsafe relationships in the past, this can make you more likely to fall into similar relationships in the future. And this is a cycle that can only be broken by healing and mobilizing these past wounds. Think of your mind and your body as a sponge. And over the years, your sponge is going to absorb all the negative emotions and negative experiences that you've had. And it's going to get to a point where it cannot absorb anymore. And when you reach this point, you're going to be way more prone to self-destructive behaviors and toxic triggers. So what you need are the tools to be able to release these negative emotions. In other words, tools to soothe your mind and soothe your brain and not fall back into these other behaviors. And to read more about how to do this and how to get these tools and develop these tools, download the Uptime app and head over to this hack.